I'm representing for my people all across the world.
Still,
No longer rolling in them polo scales.
still,
Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
still sway day, my brother. Aim spray, my brother. Switch to the U, shot so many clips, we switched them into AKA, my brother. I ain't talk about straps, far from that. In fact, it's payday, my brother. I was dropping tips from early to Ray J, my brother. When I was in college, I was rolling like a KK. I studied the chronic and I backed myself a straight A. They call him out of the Roberts detox. I admit it's been a straight way, but that happens when they classify your debut as great A. If you ain't up on things, Mr. Sway, still the name, still ahead of my game. I made him holler, swipe, swipe. That's what I was known for. Then I told him up your speed. Fuck you guys, slow for. Used to ride in that Focus and popping like cassette. Now we got a different type of focus. Still popping like we're rich. Don't be fooled by the respects. I'm Peter Parker, pay respects. And I'm getting popular, but not popular. I go hard, but I'm on that web. Check. Firm grip back on the road, doing the whole tour with the old firm. And all it took was a phone call back in the booth. Turn up the beats and the phones. Well, I'm still the truth, better tell it like it's folk. Had a verse on loops, lasers at the turn. My local fans glow when they used to dream about being in the building. Now we occupy our own floor.
Representing for my people all across the world.
Still,
No longer rolling in them polo scales.
still,
Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
still swaying the cat.
Representing for my people all across the world. No longer rolling in them polo scales. Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
Now which motherfucker wants to be Kano? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Jamie knows I'm serious, 100 bars over Meridian. Back when I was linking William up on Roman Road. You ain't fucking with my rep, nah. Fucking with my clique, nah. Mercedes adverts, fucking with your rep, nah. And tell them little pussies who is cheap, and I probably fucked your bird, so why would I need to tweet? Me and Sway still beast. Red Bull fridge, so why would I need to sleep? Left eye open, so why would I need to creep? I'll do me and get the meals, so why would I need to meek? London, I rep that east, but a nigga branch out like a family tree. UK on the map, and I fly that flag, but I'm overseas. Been Beirut and Syria before that war got deep. Me and Bashy out in Australia with a Merc on Bondi Beach. Passport crazy, yeah, they love me at Lagos. With a foot I done 419, the way the pape's strong, and I don't mean to stunt. But this a Vivi Westwood and yours a Mr. Sherman, and I don't mean to clump.
I'm representing for my people all across the world. No longer rolling in them polo scales. Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. Representing for my